Let me share with you the best small business insurance that you can count on this year, especially if you are trying to save money, you're trying to comply with regulations, and you are trying to optimize your operations. Okay, so here are the top insurers I want you to think about. First of all, you have Alliance. What I love about Alliance is that they've been, they've been in at the top of the insurance small business insurance industry for many decades, not many years, many decades. Okay, so while Alliance may be better known for insuring large global enterprises, small businesses can also take advantage of its insurance industry expertise. So if you're a small business and you are still on the fence of getting small business insurance, think about Alliance. They have expertise. They actually provide risk consulting for all industries. So you are speaking about a pretty diverse knowledge base. And their crisis management team helps businesses navigate terrorism, political violence, and hostile environments. Maybe not something you care about, but it's just no. It's also actually good to know that it's there. Okay, an alliance actually has been recognized as a sustainable insurer by many organizations for various years. So I love that. So with Alliance, you have all kinds of small business insurance coverage options. You have general liability insurance. You have commercial property insurance. You have cargo insurance. You have cyber insurance. And you also have inland marine insurance. Okay. Next, you also have Clear Blue Insurance. So if you're looking for a top small business insurance this year, think about Clear Blue Insurance. And what I love about this company is that it actually provides business insurance through partner agencies, not directly to small businesses, which means that you actually have a chance to even have a discounted small business like insurance premiums. Okay, premium. So available coverage types include all the essentials such as general liability, inland marine, commercial property, and employment practices insurance. Okay, that's really good. You are speaking about flexibility, and it operates in all states and Washington D.C. They specialize in providing insurance programs by partnering with managing general agencies, reinsurers, and others. This is really good. If you're looking for a small business insurance company this year, I want you to think about Farmers Insurance, and Farmers will take care of your business operation, no problem. Okay, you will find a wide variety of commercial coverage types and the assistance of a farmer's agent. Okay, this is really good, and so the cool thing I love about Farmers is that it provides useful information on its website explaining business insurance coverage types. It offers workplace safety videos and material called My Safety Point without extra charge to its business insurance customers. And it has also online business insurance quotes, something that Clear Blue doesn't have or even Alliance. Okay. And you can submit a business insurance claim online too. So basically, Farmers has really worked on digitizing its operations, its claims process too. The only thing is that they don't sell business insurance in all states. So before you decide to go with Farmers, make sure that you give them a call and you're sure that they operate in your state. But they cover general liability insurance, commercial property, commercial auto insurance, commercial umbrella insurance, crime insurance, workers' compensation insurance. Next, you have Equity. So Equity actually is a great small business insurance company that I love, and they work with local agents to provide insurance for a wide variety of businesses, from hotels to auto repair shops to retailers and restaurants. So this is kind of cool. And some advantages you get through Equity is that the Equity Nurse Helpline can facilitate access to the appropriate health care for your injured employees. They provide on site loss control consultation and training. They offer a free online newsletter that addresses the specific concerns of truckers. They have a variety of videos with insurance information for various professions, such as construction and retail. And they also offer online business insurance quotes. So this is kind of cool. And what I want to say here is that Equity offers a small business insurance coverage, such as business owner's policy. You have general liability insurance. You have commercial property insurance, commercial auto insurance, commercial umbrella insurance, crime insurance, cyber insurance, equipment breakdown insurance, inland marine insurance, and workers' compensation insurance, among other types. Okay, so just be aware of that. And chances are they have the insurance type that you need anyway. So that's really good. If you're looking for a top small business insurance this year, I want you to think about CNA. And CNA is really flexible. Okay, CNA has they have an excellent complaint track record, and with over 300 coverage types available from CNA, the good thing is that you can be sure that you have plenty of options to find the right business insurance fit for your business this year. So, what I love about CNA is that basically industries that can be covered by CNA business insurance include construction, healthcare, financial institutions, law firms, manufacturing, and more. So, you have a large swath, a large variety of industries being covered, okay? And CNA is a prep-wise provider, provides actually a number of risk management services, such as cybersecurity awareness and ways to improve ergonomics in the workplace. I mean, because they're trying to really avoid workplace accidents. Okay, they offer a pay-as-you-go workers' compensation insurance option, so that your small business can budget better. They have online business insurance quotes, and they also offer online claims filing. So if you think about this CNA, you can think about all kinds of insurance coverage types, from business owner's policy all the way to errors and omission insurance. So this is really good. Next, you have travelers. So if you're looking for a top small business insurance company, think about Travelers this year. And Travelers is one of the largest insurers for commercial insurance. Okay, and they actually boast few complaints about their business insurance model, and its wide range of commercial insurance solutions are available through independent agents. So this is really good. So they actually offer TravPay, a pay-as-you-go workers' compensation system that links your payroll directly to your workers' compensation premiums, so you don't have to guess the amount of annual payroll. Okay, so Travelers TravComp actually they have a workers' compensation claim system that includes a dedicated return to work team of nurses and claims professional with the goal of getting employees back to work quickly. Okay. You also have risk control resources that include self-service materials such as checklists. And you have a variety of online services that includes bills and payment histories, certificate of insurance, and also check-in. You have the possibility to check the status of claims too. So that's really cool. So they offer all kinds of coverage details, once again, from business owner's policy to professional liability insurance. If you're looking for a top small business insurance company this year, I want you to think about Frankenmuth Insurance. And Frankenmuth Insurance is a great insurance that not a lot of folks know them, but they're really great. They have customized business specific insurance packages for operations such as retail stores, manufacturing, and small offices. And this is a regional carrier, though, operating in 15 states and parts of the Midwest and Southeast. So just something you need to know. And their insurance is sold by local independent agents. And types of businesses that can be insured by Frankenmuth include retail stores, like I said, personal services, wholesalers, but also contractors. So they have business owners policy all the way to a hired and non-owned auto liability insurance. Next, you have Cincinnati Insurance. So if you are looking for a top small business insurance company, think about Cincinnati Insurance, and they sell their coverage through local independent agents who will who they will tailor coverage to fit the needs of a business. And Cincinnati's business insurance is available in most states. Okay, so and their industries, like their industry base, covers everything from craft beverages to a dentist to manufacturers to medical facilities, retail, and more. Okay, and the Cincy Plus package combines expanded coverage types at a cost savings from buying them separately. And Cincinnati actually, also offers Cincinnati Insurance also offers a Cincy Pay, which actually bundles coverage geared toward business types such as retail stores. So this is kind of cool. Okay, Cincy Plus and Cincy, not Cincy Pay, Cincy Pack, Cincy Pack. Okay, so that's really good to know. And one thing I want to say here is that Cincinnati's 3-year commercial package policy lets you lock in rates that won't increase for the duration of your policy term. So this is now rates may change if your business's needs change anyway. You also have complementary loss control services that can help you identify and manage workplace accidents. Okay, so this is really good. So overall, you have a great insurance programs that actually even includes surety bonds as well as excess and surplus insurance. If you're looking for a top small business insurance this year, I want you to think about Westfield Insurance. And what I love about Westfield Insurance is that it has been at the top level of insurance, of a small business insurance programs for years. The only thing is, it's only available in 21 states, okay? They sell business insurance in 21 states, but the cool thing is they do have a notable track record for low complaints, okay? So with its Westfield Signature Series, you can bundle together optional coverage types to address your specific business type and size. And also, they are among the top sellers of farm business policies. So, in terms of coverage details, they actually have everything from general liability insurance to tools and equipment insurance. You also have commercial auto insurance and surety bonds. Finally, you have Chubb. So Chubb is actually the last but not the least great institution. They've been around for ages, for years. That's really good. It tells you about a proven track record. Okay, and Chubb's small business insurance targets small businesses with up to $30 million in revenue. Up to $30 million in revenue. Okay, they offer insurance for operations such as cultural institutions, food services, healthcare, manufacturers, retail stores, and technology. And so, if you want to check out their business owners policy, you are able to actually do so in a very scalable manner. Okay, and Chubb's business owners policy can be customized with coverage types such as flood insurance, electronic data liability, equipment breakdown, professional liability, and other valuable protection. So this is kind of cool. And so overall, you have a great package. I mean, their foreign package insurance is actually also great if you have business overseas too, so they can actually cover that. So this is really fantastic. So I just shared with you the top 10 small business insurance of this year. Okay, so let's quickly have an overview so we have a clear idea about what are we talking about. First of all, you need to ask yourself, what are the different types of small business insurance? Because some business insurance you have to get, and others you may choose not to get. Those that you have to get are maybe they are mandatory based on the industry you're in because they're part of regulations. And others you get because you're trying to cover yourself. You're trying to cover your butt, if you will. You're trying to really expand your risk management. Okay, so you have general liabilities, for instance. So this insurance covers claims such as property damage and bodily injuries to others. It includes coverage for damage to reputation, such as slander, libel, and copyright infringement. It also covers legal costs, settlements, and judgments. Then you also have commercial liability. This is another commercial liability covers the physical property of your small business against problems such as fire damage or theft. It covers business items including computers and workstations, desks and chairs, business records, business inventory and supplies. It can also cover your office and business building. Okay. You also have workers' comp. Everybody knows workers' comp. You have commercial auto. You have errors and submission. You have inland marine. Let me just talk about inland marine real fast. Now, before I speak about errors, before I speak about inland marine, let me talk about E&O. So errors and omission. So this will pay for liability cost if a customer or client accuses you of making a mistake in your professional services. And E&O is also called professional liability insurance. When I speak about inland marine, this type of insurance covers business property that's been transported over land, such as equipment, materials, products, and tools. This coverage is different from marine insurance, which covers your business property while it's being transported over water. Okay, this is important. And then you have cyber liability, everything about the internet. You have short-term liability, and you also have medical malpractice. Okay, so cyber liability insurance can cover actually recovery cost if your computer system and data gets hacked. It also helps pay for expenses such as notifying customers who have been impacted by a data breach, but also credit monitoring. So if you're looking to buy a small business insurance, you need to understand that you have a certain level of preparation to have, a certain series of steps to actually to have. Okay. So first of all, you want to gather your documents and information. Get your paperwork ready. Okay. You'll need information such as your assets, total number of employees, payroll size, and the tools and equipment your business uses, the location and age of your building, so your insurance company will provide you with a quote. And next, you need to contact an agent, right? So, an independent small business insurance agent can help you identify the types of small business insurance you will need. You can contact an independent agent online, by phone, or in person. And finally, you need to compare actually small business insurance quotes. So once you have notified the types of small business insurance you need, you want to compare business insurance quotes among multiple insurers. It's always good to compare. I mean, actually, there are even sites that allow you to compare and contrast those quotes automatically. Now, not all insurers offer quotes online, so an independent agent can help you find a good price for for companies that sell business insurance in your area. So, how much small business insurance coverage do you need? It depends. It depends on your business type. It depends on the size of your business. It depends on your business location. And it depends also on contractual requirements. Okay. Some industries are much more prone to risk than others, and some industries are also pretty they are heavily regulated. And so if you have a contractual requirements, you may have to actually get that. So, in terms of how much does a small business insurance cost, you can see something from $50 all the way to $150 per month. Okay, and your small business insurance costs depend on several factors, such as the industry, the size of payroll, and annual revenue. Because the higher your operating costs and expenses, the more you can expect to pay for liability insurance, also the number of employees, the location. So if your business operates in a high risk area with high crime rates, you may pay more for business insurance, the building age and size, coverage amounts and types, and also your claims history. So if you have a history of filing claims for your small business, this could increase your premiums. Okay, so think about that. So, in conclusion, in today's conversation, I spoke to you about the best small business insurance of this year. I gave you the top insurers, the overview, and now the conclusion. So, in terms of top insurers, I spoke about Alliance, Clear Blue Insurance, Farmers Insurance, Equity, CNA Travelers, Frankenmuth Insurance, Cincinnati Insurance, Westfield Insurance, and Chubb. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.